The future is here. Understanding HyperBitcoinization. Introduction. In 2009, a groundbreaking vision was brought to life by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin, a digital currency designed to decentralize finance and empower individuals. Fast forward many years, and Bitcoin's influence has surged, leading many to anticipate a hyperbitcoinization event that could redefine the global economy. If you're curious about what hyperbitcoinization entails and the potential of a Bitcoin-based world, join me as we delve into Satoshi Nakamoto's visionary and poetic concept. The essence of hyperbitcoinization. Hyperbitcoinization is the process by which Bitcoin emerges as the preeminent global currency, toppling traditional fiat currencies and upending the conventional financial system. Envisioned by Bitcoin's creator, this scenario is characterized by four pillars: decentralization, voluntary adoption, final settlement of transactions, and fixed supply. Decentralization ensures no central authority governs Bitcoin, with its network maintained by users. Voluntary adoption means people choose Bitcoin for its convenience and security. Final settlement of transactions offer faster, cost-effective alternatives to banking procedures. Lastly, a fixed supply caps Bitcoin at 21 million units, making it a deflationary currency that retains value over time. A hyperbitcoinized world. In a hyperbitcoinized society, central banks and government monetary controls become obsolete, with Bitcoin's market dynamics dictating its value. This shift promises unprecedented financial freedom for individuals and businesses, enabling global transactions devoid of intermediaries. Eliminating these middlemen not only reduces costs, but also spurs economic growth and expands opportunities universally. Redefining banking. Hyperbitcoinization poses a seismic shift for traditional banking, long the gatekeepers of the global economy. In a Bitcoin-dominant world, banks' roles in transaction facilitation and credit provision diminish as individuals directly manage and transact in Bitcoin. This disintermediation fosters a more egalitarian financial landscape, enhancing privacy and security. A key advantage of hyperbitcoinization is the heightened privacy and security it offers. Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it less susceptible to hacking or manipulation. Furthermore, Bitcoin transactions do not necessitate storing personal information, reducing risks of identity theft and data breaches. Conclusion: hyperbitcoinization is more than a concept. It's a potential paradigm shift in the global economy rooted in Satoshi Nakamoto's ingenious and poetic vision. It heralds an era of financial liberation, reduced intermediation, and expanded opportunities. While still theoretical and facing several challenges, the journey towards a hyper-Bitcoinized world gains momentum each day as more people discover Bitcoin's transformative power. The dream of a world governed by Bitcoin is gradually materializing, inching closer to reality with each passing moment.